Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to an update on BitTorrent. In my earlier videos, I've been showing you that the price on of BitTorrent has broken out a falling wedge pattern, and this was one of those videos. Now, if you move to the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price and it again moved down because I was telling you that in order to continue this rally to the upside after the breakout from this wedge, we will need to break out this resistance zone. And you can see that we had a long spike beyond this resistance zone. By the way, this resistance zone starts from 7.3 and goes to 7.7. And you can see that the price line could not break it out and again move down, and still it is trying to break out this resistance line. Previously, by the way, this resistance line had been breaking out the resistance line here for several days or weeks, and here it had been breaking as support, and here as a support zone, and before that, here it was breaking as support zone, here as a support zone, and here as a resistance zone. Therefore, now again, it is breaking at a very, very strong resistance zone. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share this very, very huge breakout that is happening here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for API 3, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 22nd of March 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of BitTorrent. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, since after 17th of November 2024, it had been moving inside this falling wedge pattern. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, so many rejections here. Then we had another bounce here, and then we got another rejection, bounce, and rejection. And finally, the price broke out the resistance of this wedge after getting squeezed inside this wedge. We have broken out the resistance, and now we need to break out this long-term resistance on that start from 7.3 and goes to 7.7. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance line is coming from the month of June 2022 when it was working as support line here, and after the breakdown, here it was working as a resistance line, and here after the breakout, it was again flipped into a support line, and now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance zone. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 167. And before that, we will also need to break out this long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from 108 and goes to 115.0000 and 0, 5 times 0.155 dollar. That had been previously breaking as a resistance zone here and support zone here for a few weeks and resistance here. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of BitTorrent. Now here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a very, very nice rally. But so far, the price on a BitTorrent could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge. That is at 255. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.